Today's Tuesday, October 24th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado power door lock actuating activator solenoid. The unit was rebuilt for my friend Adil from Master Automotive in Cape Coral. And the internal catalytic igniter was exchanged and replaced because the existing one was burnt to a crisp actually. The upper coil was swapped out and the reciprocating plunger was precision lapped, lubricated and reinserted, and everything resealed. So the unit is ready for shipment. I'm going to be doing a functional validation test under power, and I'll go ahead and check it. Contraction, extension, contraction, extension, contraction, extension. And as we can see, we have a very powerful snap. The unit is probably better than it was originally because I worked to much closer tolerances and I polished to a much finer surface finish. And this will be going out to Adil as soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. In addition to that, I'll be rebuilding his windshield wiper double compound sliding control module and wiper motor. So this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorado, over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels with the wood grain inlay, as well as the 682 grip lines from 68 all the way through down through 59, and the wood grain inlay steering wheels from 69 through 78, including the rim blow steering wheels for 69. I also provide full comprehensive restoration of the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, power door locks, such as in this example, and other critical hard to source original vintage Cadillac items, including the compound double sliding wiper control module. Today is Tuesday, October 24th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.